Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Firebase project from scratch, and I will be doing everything step by step right here on my screen. So let's get started. First, I will open my Chrome browser and I will type Firebase into the search bar. I will press enter and you will see that the first result is the official Firebase website. So I will click on that link and it will take me to the Firebase homepage. Here on the homepage, you can scroll down and here you can choose get started in a console button. So you can click this button. So this button will open the Firebase console where I can manage all my projects. As you can see, this is the Firebase console page. Right now, I do not have any project created, so nothing is showing here. To create a new project, I will click on the get started with the Firebase. So this will take me to the create project page. So here I will enter a project name. For this example, I will give the name project demo. So next, I will accept the Firebase terms and conditions, and then I will check continue. On the next screen, it will ask if I want to enable Google Analytics. I will leave it turn on for now, but you can choose to turn off if you prefer. If you decide to keep it on, you can select your country and agree the terms and conditions and then click to continue. Now Firebase will start creating the project. This process usually takes about 30 seconds. So I will just wait for to finish the project creation. So after that, once the project is ready, you will see here message that says your project is ready. So we will continue the process. Now that the project is created, I want to show you which platform and apps can connect to Firebase. Firebase supports Android, iOS, and web applications, so you can easily integrate it into mobile applications for both Android and iPhones. It also supports Flutter, which makes it simple to build cross-platform applications with a single code base. So this means that that's no matter what kind of app you are building, whether it's native Android and iOS applications, web applications, or even your Flutter applications, Firebase can help you add powerful features quickly and efficiently. So now that you know what platform Firebase supports, let me show you some of the Firebase services. So Firebase will provide authentication. Using authentication, you can handle user sign up and login. They can provide also Cloud Firestore to store the data in real time. They are also providing storage, hosting, and cloud messaging. Also, they are provided notifications, and there is a many more features to provide to your application. So that's it for today's tutorial on how to create Firebase project. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. So I will be continuing this series with more videos on how to use Firebase with Flutter, Android, and web applications. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching video and I will see you soon in next video. Keep learning, keep coding.